As the pandemic strike, digital addiction also arise. A lot of people now are using technology and other digital platforms as their way of escape and entertainment. But being too exposed with these digital platforms could have negative consequences that could affect our behavior and our daily lives.
Just take a look at this woman. The woman was so engrossed with her phone that she didn't realize that the escalator wasn't moving anymore. Whether we admit it or not, in our life, we were once like her too. We are all spending too much time with our gadgets that most of the time we don't even know what's happening around us. Students that we interview also agree that they were once addicted to phone, mobile games, social media, and other digital platforms.
Yes, I have been addicted to online games, specifically on RPG games or Call of Duty Mobile.
Yes, I admit that until now I still addicted to social media.
Yes, usually to online games.
Yes, I have been addicted to social media.
I spend 5 to 8 hours playing Call of Duty Mobile because I'm very addicted to this game.
In my daily life, I usually use it 5 hours top.
I think almost 8 hours straight a day.
Bago pumasok, gumagamit ako ng social media. Tapos, pagka uwi, sa gabi, doon ko ginugugol yung oras ko sa social media. Pero pag wala namang pasok, doon talaga nauubos yung oras ko. Tulad din sinabi ko kanina, mas ginugugol ko yung sarili ko sa social media. Kaya, mas nagiging tahimik ako. At doon lang nakatuon yung pansin ko.
My laziness behavior because sometimes I prefer playing COD rather than doing household chores or other things.
May mga magandang bagay and bad din na nakuha ko sa social media. Isa na doon is yung napapabilis yung pag-comprehend ko, na-develop ko yung pag-comprehend ng mga information na nababasa ko. And bad is parang sa sobrang bilis din, like yung sa technology din, sa social media, parang nagiging more irritable ako kapag hindi pag nababagalan yung mga information na gusto kong makuha.
No, because for me, playing mobile games is fun time. When I'm stressed with my schoolworks, I used to play Call of Duty Mobile to ease or to remove my stress at doing some schoolwork.
Yes, very affected usually my time management and my studying. Instead of studying, I got addicted to online games. Yes.
Yeah, actually, back then, nung pandemic, so na-addict talaga ako sa social media. Dahil na-isolate tayo. So, nabababad ako sa social media nun. Pero ngayon nga, nung nag-face to face na, like, nakakahalubilo na ka ibang tao, nababawasan yung pagbababad ko sa social media.
Usually some workouts and I'm doing a small business right now.
Well, more on, I'm starting to communicate in personal, like, nakipag-usap na ako sa tao, ganyan. Hindi na through text, ganyan, chats.
You should know your intuition.
playing or being addict to online games or other social media platforms is okay, but you should focus on what other things can be better to your personal life to make your life better.
Hindi ko naman kasi sila mapagbabawalan na tigilan yung pagiging addict sa social media. So, masasabi ko na lang, maging balance na lang sila sa mga ginagawa nila. Ihiwala yung social media, yung mga gawa sa social media, tsaka yung sa study nila. Maging disiplina na rin sa kanila yun.
Well, sa mga students na ma-addict at na-addict ngayon, sana maging responsable sila sa mga ginagawa nila sa social media. Binabantayan nila yung sarili nila mentally and emotionally, physically din.
Use technology but with moderation.